Hi guys, let's eat. Today I'm going to be making a fall harvest pizza with butternut squash, caramelized onion, and bacon. Itemized list in video description. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to make the mixture for the butternut squash that's going to go in the oven. This is going to be a tablespoon of honey, olive oil, 2 tablespoons, salt and pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. And there's supposed to be some chili powder in here. I don't have chili powder. So I'm putting in red pepper and artichoke bruschetta. I'm really hoping this turns out delicious. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So I've got my cubed butternut squash from Trader Joe's, and I'm just gonna pour it right onto my tray here. And I've got my little tool here. I don't know what this is called, but this is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. And then we've got my little, the concoction, the honey concoction. And we're just gonna paint it onto the butternut squash. Here we go. Painting. And we're painting away to deliciousness with a prayer to the gods of food. Okay, now I've got my butternut squash completely coated with my special sauce that I hope tastes delicious. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes until these are tender. I hope magic happens in here because I'm really worried that this is gonna taste like crap. All right, so while my butternut squash is roasting, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my onions and my apple. So right now, my apples look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and dice it even smaller because I don't want the flavor of the apple to be overwhelming. I just want you to get like a slight kick here and there when you bite into it. So cut them into smaller squares. Right now, I can smell the butternut squash. It's only been in the oven 5 minutes and it's filling up my kitchen with a scent of cinnamon and honey. And oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I love autumn. This is the main reason I love autumn. It smells heavenly and beautiful. I just need some trees in here, like autumn leaves. Oh my God, it smells so good. Do you smell it? You do? Oh wait, you can't smell. You can't smell. It's butternut squash. Oh. Smell the autumn freshness. Oh my goodness. Woo. Woo. You hear that? You hear the sizzle? That looks amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and reline my tray, and then I'm going to put the pizza crust on it. Okay, we've got our pizza crust here, and let's put it right here, nice and pretty. And then we're gonna grab our pizza crust mixture. Again, I'm missing like 50% of the ingredients for the mixture, for the pizza crust mixture. So I'm using olive oil and the red pepper artichoke bruschetta. I'm using that on everything. That's basically my substitute for everything that I'm missing. Yep. And we'll go ahead and coat it. Okay. That looks beautiful. That looks delicious. There you go. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add the onion. And this recipe calls for apple cider. You're supposed to add apple cider to your caramelized onion. I don't have apple cider, and I'm pretty positive apple cider is one of the main highlights of this fall harvest pizza, but I don't have it. So we're just gonna go ahead and caramelize the onion. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Add some salt. Let's go ahead and caramelize the onion. So now I'm going to add bacon to my onion before it's browned because I want the bacon fat to go ahead and finish cooking the onion. So here we go. I love bacon, so I'm putting in a lot of bacon. I think that's a lot. All right. Now, I don't want to cook the bacon all the way because we're going to, again, top it on top of the pizza and throw it back in the oven for like an additional 15 minutes. So I don't want to like have rock hard burnt bacon on my pizza. But this smells amazing. So now I've got my fresh mozzarella cheese here, and I'm just gonna break this off into little pieces and place it right on top of my pizza crust. Right on top of the crust there. Space it out. Oh, actually, you know what? I was taught to put the cheese more in the center so when it melts out. Otherwise, you're gonna have a really messy pizza with cheese all over the tray instead of the pizza. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place the butternut squash on here and the onion. Okay, that looks amazing. Okay, now we're gonna add apple to the pizza, just a little bit. Then you wanna add the blue cheese. You definitely do not wanna miss this. This is definitely gonna make that extra zing, zoom, ping to the flavor. You don't wanna miss it. And it is ready for the oven. Take a look at that. It looks amazing. I think it's gonna be really, really good. I sprinkled a lot of blue cheese on here. Hopefully it's not too strong. Let's go and pop it in the oven. So additional 20 to 25 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees. And I really hope the bacon finishes cooking in there. I normally don't put it in the oven. I just do skillet or the microwave for bacon. All right, can't wait. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Ooh, that looks delicious. Oh my God, that looks amazing. It's burning. Oh no, oh my pizza. Oh, actually no, I think it's fine. It's perfect. I think like 2 more minutes it would have burned. Oh. It looks amazing. Perfectly toasted and browned. It's gonna be a little crunchy, but not completely burnt. I salvaged it. Ah, this is exciting. All right, so here is a closer look at my amazing fall harvest pizza. Snoopy's gonna help me today. Ta-da! You see that? You see that? Oh, it looks amazing. Oh my God, I almost burnt it. Check that out. Ooh, what a here we go. Yes, amazing. Voila, 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 voila. Oh, it smells delicious. Let's put the camera here. So there is one more step to this fall harvest pizza, and that is fresh sage that we're going to make crispy. So we're gonna go ahead and make crispy sage to top on top of the pizza. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so we've got olive oil on medium heat, and then we're going to go ahead and place the sage right on top. Maybe I should have waited till it got a little bit hotter. Gosh, that's really pretty. It's so beautiful. It just looks like a piece of art. Oh yeah. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Fall harvest pizza with butternut squash, caramelized onion, and bacon, and cinnamon. I'm very proud of this pizza. Let's try it and see what it tastes like. My tester today is going to be Anthony, my mother's nurse. You ready?
Sure.
So this is this is crispy sage.
And then it dives off into something else?
I love it. I think this is good.
Is it bad that I'm like expecting some chicken on it or something?
There's bacon on there. Actually, I love meat, and I was gonna put chicken apple sausage on top because I felt like the bacon was just too minimal to taste. I should have put the sausage. I think that would have made a difference. 1 to 10.
I'll put it right. I'm gonna give it like a 5.
Cut! Retake!
I've definitely had worse, and I wouldn't still be eating it if I didn't like it.
Okay.
Because I'm one of those people like if I don't like it, I can't hide
I don't
it.
know if that's a compliment or not. I give it an 8. I like it. But you know what? I think this is a very particular flavor that not everybody likes. You know, here's a good point. I think women are going to love this. Right?
Probably.
It's like I feel like it's a girly thing, like the autumn, fall flavors. It's a very girly pizza in my opinion. That's what I think. I think my girlfriends would absolutely love this. Like you need like meat on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Some chicken.
Some chicken, some
Bacon was good.
some
Sausage.
some cows, you know,
Some
whole
dead
body of cow.
Dead animals on there.
All right, cut. Anyway, if you want to try it, make it. Cook it for your girlfriends and see what they think. I like it. I give it an 8. Okay.
We'll have to try this on my pizza oven at home.
I think it needs more bacon, right?
Yeah, bacon will work.
I think we need more bacon on the pizza, and everything's like it'll shoot from 5 to 10,
Easily.
right? Easily. But I think women, you're gonna like this. All right, 5.
Whatever, Anthony. I don't know what you're talking about. 5 out of 10. This pizza is delicious, okay? It's fabulous.
Amazing. Amazing.